So we are big honey fans in our household, and Jarrah Honey sent me this raw Jarrah honey, which is made in Western Australia. They wanted me to test it out, check it out, and do an honest review for you. The packaging itself was really nice. It had a really nice quality feel to it. It also comes with a little wooden spoon so that you can use that to dip the honey, and which wooden spoons are always better than metal spoons when using honey. So that was a plus, but really nice design. In regards to the taste of the honey, I have to say it is really, really delicious. So Jarla actually describes it as a toffee flavor to it, and I have to agree with that. That's exactly what it tasted like. It had a hint of that toffee taste. In terms of the texture, I couldn't believe how smooth it was. It was really, really nice, and I really just wanted to keep eating it. Another thing that is really nice to know about this particular type of honey is that it is low glycemic. So that's one of my issues with honey in general, is that I have to be really careful because of sugar spikes. But with this particular honey, you don't have to worry about that as much because it already has a low glycemic level. So one thing that's really nice is that it comes with a comparison chart on the box between this honey and Manuka. So I think you'll be really happy with it, whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift for somebody else. Thanks for watching.